at Mac Automotive, and I'm going to tell you why it's important to regas your car's air conditioning system regularly. When you run the air conditioning system, it tends to grow bacteria and mould on it, so cleaning that kills all the mould and bacteria, resulting in cleaner air. If you run it without any gas in it, what will happen is the gas will eventually all leak out, which dries the seals out, which will cause leaks in the future. You damage components. You run the risk of damaging the pump. Pumps can range anywhere from £300 to £600. Having a fully functioning air conditioning system will actually use less fuel than driving with your windows open. The whole process can take anywhere between an hour to 2 hours. See how much gas is in there to start with. If there is no gas in there, we will carry out a nitrogen test, which basically checks for any leaks. We can also change the pollen filter with this. We can also clean the evaporator inside the car. If your evaporator needs to be cleaned, then you'll notice it because it will smell a bit like an old fridge. You need to regas the air conditioning system once every 2 years. At Mac Autos, we do servicing and repairs for all makes. We do light commercials, air conditioning, tyres, ECU remapping and diagnostics.